Reducing the likelihood of a potential claim makes a huge amount of sense for a number of reasons, both financial and emotional. The financial ones are perhaps more obvious, but any circumstances leading to a claim, such as theft or an accident, will also have a big emotional impact. Car insurance of some type is virtually always a legal requirement, but people also buy all forms of insurance as some form of emotional safety net, being able to feel safe if things should go wrong. That feeling of safety gets punctured in the event of a claim, and is worth avoiding. In order to reduce the chance of a claim and head off problems and increased future costs, there are several things you can do, both to reduce the chance of a claim, and also reduce the potential for premium increases in your insurance for the long term. The first area concerns the actual driving skills of the person primarily responsible for driving the car, and the person who is probably the main insured driver on the car insurance policy. This is more than about being a good or safe driver. There are numerous courses run by various motoring organizations and non-profits, as well as some run by government, that are aimed at people of various driving experience, ranging from the beginner to the more experienced drivers. The value of these courses can be immense. Partly they depend on the quality of the course itself, but also because they recognize that once people have passed their initial driving test, there is normally no other training mandated by law that they are required to undertake. There may be certain legal requirements concerning medical undertakings about health, eyesight, etc. that are normally age-specific, but that is usually it. Whilst drivers develop their own experience of motoring in different conditions, they can also develop a lot of bad habits very easily. A good driving course will help the driver spot and correct those habits, and thereby help make them a better and safer driver. Insurance companies like the principle of driving courses and will sometimes give a discount on your car premium if you undertake and pass one specifically. If you are going to undertake a course especially for that purpose, check with your insurance company first, as they may prefer certain courses to others, or only give discounts relating to certain courses. The other area relates to your vehicle itself, and two things here are really important. Keep your vehicle in good condition and check things like tire pressures and oil and water levels regularly. Keep the vehicle off-road overnight if you can, preferably in a garage. If you want to make any modifications to the vehicle, check with your insurance company first, as they will need to validate them first. Modifications can affect the safety of your vehicle and need to be done professionally to a standard that is safe and approved by your insurance company. The author is a freelance writer who specializes in insurance, having spent many years in the insurance industry, working at Lloyd's of London. In particular, he writes about car and auto insurance, explaining what car insurance. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.